AnyVoice is a platform that allows you to clone just about any voice, apparently, with only 3 seconds of original audio, which is quite impressive. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I., and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm going to start recording my voice so I can clone it. So it's asking me to read this sample text out loud. Hey everyone, I'm trying out this amazing AI voice cloning technology. It's truly incredible and I'm excited to experience it with you, okay? Hey everyone, I'm trying out this new AI voice cloning technology. It's truly exciting and I'm excited to share it all with you. Let's see how it goes. Okay, cool. Let me create a voice clone from this and see how it performs. Okay, enter what you want to say in your voice. Let's go with the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Cool. I'm going to generate this speech. Let me see what we get.
Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, it's all right. It's all right. I think Haygen's still kind of better. Or maybe it's actually really accurate and I'm just hearing my voice differently. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I don't know if you were able to hear that. In any case, I'm going to download this and play it. So yeah, you can definitely hear that. But here it is once again.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
I don't know. It sounds a bit overly British for me. I mean, I know I have a British accent, but I don't think I'm that British. Anyway, you guys let me know. And yeah, if this is going to be useful to you, then give it a go. The pricing plan is pretty generous, so you can have up to 200 characters generated at a time, 1,200 seconds of audio generation per month, and you can create up to 10 voice clone models. So yeah, that may be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.